Marami akong nakausap ng mga clients ko na hindi ba pwede kumuha ng Kaiser Long-Term Care kapag nasa ibang bansa? Nababalita kasi sa social media na hindi i-grant ang life insurance policy kapag ang policy owner nasa abroad. Yes po, that's true. Pero take note po na si Kaiser ay isang Health Maintenance Organization or HMO. Hindi po siya life insurance product. Health Maintenance Organization is a health insurance plan that provides health services through a network of doctors for a monthly or annual fee. Kung meron mang insurance si Kaiser, yan ay add-on lang po siya or just a freebie lang ng Kaiser. Kaya kung napansin mo, maliit lang ang coverage ng insurance ni Kaiser. For the benefit sa lahat na hindi pa alam ano si Kaiser ay isang HMO that has 3 features: healthcare with insurance and investment. Once you start your own Kaiser long-term healthcare, active na agad ang iyong insurance at pwede na rin magamit ang iyong healthcare as long as may 1 year na ng ipon at may investment na makukuha after 20 years. If you live too long. At nakagandahan ay sa 7 years lang ng pag-iipon, lifetime na ang benefits na healthcare, insurance at investment. To know more, message mo lang ako para i-guide kita.